Right, so this is German 30 on a daily time frame. If you couldn't tell, I really like trading German 30 at the moment. Okay, that's a lot of boxes, but yeah, this is German 30 on a daily time frame. Structure, to me, again, same sort of idea, bullish. Sentiment, also looking bullish. Yes, we had a Friday candle, which was very awkward. Um, because it's a bearish candle, but context wise, we've seen a wick rejection. We've seen two out of three bullish, and we've had a good wicks to the downside. So to me, that is more than happy to go in for a buy. The sentiment, no, sorry, the current candle sentiment was also bullish when I checked the charts today in the morning and the afternoon. So I mean, we don't take it into account too much, but that's just something to note. On the hourly, okay, that was from yeah, okay. So this is what happened when I opened up chart. My key level was here. Now, initially, it's just at the highs. Price wasn't going to come down here. And then around 2:30 stock exchange, not sorry, 1:30 even, we created structure again. And well, 2:30 would have opened up, and then this would have actually been the candle that would have finished printing. So I put it back at the highs, and price was just shooting off because I was trying to catch a trade down here, but it broke structure when um or like it went way past structure when I'm pretty sure stock exchange opened up, so I really couldn't catch any like this is the movement I saw. It was 2 o'clock. I don't want to trade between that time because obviously stock exchange opens, and then stock exchange opened, shit was flying. Then it came back down. Obviously I can't enter off here, keeps flying, and then it started coming down. I saw like good rejections. This is way after stock exchange, way after anything that was happening throughout the day. There was no news, which is funny because I thought there was, and I got really spooked out. But yeah, I saw this form of depletion here. As you can see, the volume's dying out a bit, and it started to like sort of range a little small corrective period down back to this key level. And then I saw this nice form of depletion where it goes small, medium, large, very engulfing candle. So I just entered off here. So yeah, my entry would have been right there, and then stops just below structure. And I had an alert set, and it's funny because I've just started a new job while doing some sales. So I was out in the field, is what they like to say. And essentially, whilst the sale was going on, I just quickly placed it, and I was shitting bricks because I kept filling the alert tag, and I was like, "Oh no, it's already hit SL." Because I saw this happening, I was like, "Oh, okay, it's probably hit SL then," and I was so pissed off. Like I was like, I was meant to take it on one account. I opted not to do so, and I took it on two. There was just like a voice in my head, like telling me to do it on my two accounts, and then initially I was just gonna do it on one. But I managed to catch it on both. And yeah, when I open up the chart after seeing the alerts, I was like, "What the hell?" Yeah, TP. I was so shocked. I was like, "What is that wick?" And then yeah, and I thought it was news. I quickly rushed over and I was like, "Oh, please don't tell me I traded during news." Because that would just be a break of the trading plan and like violation of rules. But luckily there wasn't news, and this just happened out of nowhere. I have no clue why. But yeah, I guess I took a TP today. Very happy about it. Uh, I actually had a confidence of about I was about 50-50, so like a 5 out of 10, but then after seeing the like that voice in my head just told me just do it on your second account, and I wasn't going to. So I guess I gained some confidence then, but then as soon as I felt the alerts, I was like, I shouldn't have done that. But luckily, I did do it, and luckily, it did work out in my favor because it did look like a textbook trade up. I think I was too hesitant. Is the thing that I'm still trying to work on. Like now that I'm getting closer to passing accounts, and luckily, this trade did actually pass on my accounts. I was very hesitant to actually take it, and I didn't even have to aim for 1 to 2. I had to aim for like half of it because I need to only make 3%, and I was risking two, so you do the maths. So luckily, I hit it fairly quickly. I was very happy. I kind of imagined quite a lot of consolidation. To be fair, I don't really imagine this to retest this like entry and then just shoot up the next candle. I kind of didn't really anticipate anything apart from like a bit of consolidation or like gradual because that's German 30. But I guess I should have taken the signs of this is already the consolidation sort of periods that have happened, and this kind of just was just a crazy extension because I don't normally trade at 6 o'clock. But yeah, I'm really happy to about today because it just was like a very nice like trade to take, and like I'm glad that like the voice in my brain just told me just press the button, and if it didn't tell me that, I would have just taken it on one other account, got the 1 to 2, which I did get on the other account. Made the 2%. But thank God that I did it on the other account and I actually made like passed my account because of it. So I'm very grateful. And I'm very happy that I finally passed phase 1 on one of the accounts and hopefully many more to come. So that's my trade update for the day. Uh, maybe even the week, because I'm already up for the week and I don't really want to do what I did last week. So if I do take a single loss this week, then I'll probably stop trading for the week. But hopefully, I don't take another loss and I continue this momentum and get to passing more accounts and hopefully making some payouts. But I'm very happy. I feel like I'm finally starting to kind of crack the code of how to trade and stuff. But I'm very happy about it. But yeah, that's my update.